guys, what's up? Good morning, happy Saturday, and today is July 26. Yes, something like that. Times goes by fast talaga, guys. Somebody's excited kasi dumating na yung mga packages niya. She ordered from Shein kasi nga back to school na, guys, no? And it's a little cheaper at Shein, so she's going to actually unbox all that stuff.
Wait, let me be a girl.
Okay, that's fine. I-unbox niya yung mga stuff na binili niya, guys. And then we'll see if she got all the stuff.
It's probably not. This is definitely not all the stuff.
Of course, yeah. Okay. So, andyan, hayaan mo lang muna yan dyan, guys, kasi alam niyo na.
What are you gonna say?
Yo, Gaga, that's mine. That's actually mine. I bought it from my friend.
Where are you gonna wear this to?
I don't know. You know, I like sexy clothes, but you can have it if you want.
Oh, no. I'm alright.
You're right. You like sexy stuff. It's fine. Anyway. You don't show the... That has to be at the bottom.
I have to blur it. Okay, this one's mine.
Definitely.
Yay, it's the Hello Kitty shirt.
Alright.
I'm too excited.
What's that?
A bonnet.
You better make sure you open it all the way later, okay? Because we need to make sure you got all the stuff that we ordered because it's like so much.
Glass. Oh. There's the necklace.
No, alright.
It's right here. It's here. And it's pencil. Dots.
Yung tapos na siya nag-unbox, guys. May some stuff na wala pa talaga. Ayan naman yung akin para sa aking shipping supply. But anyway, yup, so hay, ganyan talaga mga bata, mga guys. Para lang din tayo na kapag merong mga bagay na dumarating sa atin, we can't wait to open it. We're very excited, which is very natural. Kaya pina-open ko na sa kanya. Ugh! Aray. Ayan. Hi guys. So, time check 11:49 na ng tanghali and I am on my way to work, guys. Nandito ako ngayon sa stoplight. Tapos hanggang 7 yung work natin today, mga guys, no. Kaya good luck sa atin. Good luck sa ating pag-upo. Charot. So tara, let's go. Ako sa workplace ko, mga guys. So, nadaanan ko pala yung ambulance dyan lang sa may kapitbahay lang ng facility namin, mga guys, no. Yan lang ang maganda dito. Actually, dalawa. Ambulance at saka yung isa yung paramedics. Yung sila yung mga nag-check talaga ng mga bagay-bagay kung ano ba nangyayari, kung ano yung emergency, mga guys, no. But anyway, yan lang talaga ang kagandahan dito sa Amerika, no. Hindi naman yan lang. Ang ibig ko sabihin, isa sa talagang magandang dito sa Amerika, mga guys, is yun nga, if may emergency na nangyayari, ganito ganyan, mabilis pa sa alas 4 ang sagot, mabilis pa sa alas 4 ang dating. So yan lang din ang maganda kasi instead na matsugi agad kung sino man yung parang maaagapan pa ba ng kabilis-bilis. At saka kung kailangan ka talagang dalhin sa hospital, meron po silang helicopter, no? So talagang maganda dito sa Amerika, mga guys. Yun lang din ang mga good benefits. So anyway, mga guys, andito na po ako ngayon sa workplace. Ayan. And then magtrabaho na muna si Ma'am Shi and I will get back to you guys later. Let's go. Dito pa rin ako sa work. Time check. Alas 6 na. Out na ako soon. Ka-relax na ang aming mga alaga. Yan. Siyempre, dahil relax na mga alaga, dahil nakakain na sila, nakaligo na sila. Relax din ang yaya. Yung kaibigan ko, naglilinis siya ng CR. Ay. Wala, ganyan talaga yan siya. Palagi siyang nag-ano na, ganyan, parang nag-iingay siya. Pero okay lang. Tapos maya konti, uwi na tayo. Mamaya, alas 7. Uwi na tayo. Nagutom ako, so lulutuin natin tong pork chop. Hey! Where's Dad? Picking up, Cassandra? Oh, okay. Kasi gutom na gutom ako, mga guys.
I thought somebody was here.
Well, that's me. You just now wake up or what? Oh, okay.
How's work? How's work?
Work is fine. Come on, come on. Just wake up. Prito lang natin to saglit ang pork chop, guys. And then, ito lang yung kainin natin. What you doing there? Tapos, kasi nagmuling pala si Cassandra, mga guys. Sana all. Sama yung kaibigan niya. Hinatid siya ni asawa doon. At saka, kinuha na siya ngayon. Pinick up na. Kasi tapos na siguro sila magmuling. Dinap off siya ni asawa kanina doon sa bahay ng kanyang friend. Ayan. Kauwi niya lang galing sa muling. Maran siya mga pinamili. Sana all. Show your daddy.
Wanna see it? You wanna see it? You wanna see it? You wanna see it? You wanna see it?
Yeah.
Snoopy!
Oh, Snoopy 50. How much for that? Marunong na talaga siyang mamili, guys. Sana all nag-GCP ni siya, guys.
$10.
Oh, okay. Ano pa? What you got? Nag-haul siya, guys. Ano pa?
Me.
What else did you buy?
PJs.
Okay, so how's the malling?
It was good. This was $8 from Charlotte. Yeah.
Oh, good job. So you have change.
Yeah.
Oh,
Not a
good.
lot.
Then you have to give it back to me. Oh, that's a nice PJs, but what's that size? Looks so little for you.
It's not at all. Trust me. I had to try
But what's the size?
medium.
That's too little.
It'll be fine.
But anyway, okay. Well, you have fun though. That's good.
Here. Here's-
What else?
That's it.
No, balo. Okay,
So,
so
one.
she's going to give me back the change, guys, na binigay ko sa kanya.
That's it.
Wow. Oh, at least there's change kasi binigyan ko siya ng $30, guys, para meron siyang pang shopping konti doon sa mall. Which is not bad. Good job. Meron pa siyang change. Hindi siya na-overdraft. Did you guys eat there?
Yeah.
It's good. Anyway, ako guys, magtitilang muna ako para mag-init tayo ng tubig and then, ayan na yung ano natin, pork chop. Ito, kasi magtiti ako guys para pagkatapos kung kumain, inumin natin to. 'Di ba? Anyway, so, buti na yan, tinuturuan na natin sila mga guys, no? Kasi right now, she's already like 13. Para alam na niya mga bagay-bagay, you know, tinuturuan ko siya na make sure you check yung presyo kasi baka wala ka ng pera, hindi kasya, anong ibabayad mo, bullbits. Anyway, so andito na nga siya, thank God. Nakauwi ko siya ng ligtas. So, happy naman. You happy?
Yeah.
Alright, so what else did you guys do there?
We just walked around, looked at the different kind of stores.
Oh, what about her mom?
She was just like
Doing a thing.
following us. She was shopping too.
Oh, that's cool.
Next time we go to the mall, can we go to Hollister?
Oh, what?
Hollister.
Yeah, we're actually gonna go there because we're actually gonna do our legit back to school shopping, guys, kasi school na talaga, malapit na ang school, mga guys. So kain na muna tayo, okay? Relax muna tayo. Naluto na po yung ating itlog, no? Yan muna sa tubig, iniinit eh. Itlog at saka pork chop, mga guys. So pwede na po yan. Meron na tayong dinner. Mag alas 8 na actually. Dapat hindi na muna ako kakain. Bukas na sana. Kaya lang, hindi ako pwedeng matulog kasi na super gutom. Or else, hindi ako makakatulog. Tsaka kailangan matulog ng maaga dahil work na ako ng maaga bukas. Iba-iba kasi ang schedule. Kaya, kailangan natin ng energy. At yan ay 2 itlog. Pagbabalik naman yung kasama namin sa trabaho, mag-iiba na naman yung schedule. So anyway, kain lang tayo. Hey guys, ayan yung food ang natin. And then mag-tea tayo after. Bon appetit.